Okay, we're gonna go weather the storm. Sam was dancing over here at the back door to go out, so I let her out before I was able to get all bundled up. But now I'm bundled up. I'll go out, and it looks like it's snowed another 3 inches or so. Uh, but I'll need to clear a path for Sam again and a little area. So let's go out there and take care of this. All right, I've tried to put the measuring stick in the snow where it doesn't look like it's been drifting. We're at about 5 inches now, and we've still got several hours more of snow. Wind has kind of died down at the moment, but not enough to where I can set the camera on the tripod and let you watch me shovel snow. So, and that wouldn't be exciting anyway. But here's the yardstick. And we might as well just leave that out here. So, all right. There's Sam. Come on, Sam. Whoa! What do you think of this snow? Come on, come on. Come on. Come here. Good, Sam. Yeah. It's cold out here, I know. You want to go back in? Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. All right. I'll come out here and clear some more area off for you. But you want to go inside? Is that what you're wanting? You want to go inside? Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. I'll be in a minute. What do you think? Come on. Zoom. Come on. Over here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on. She doesn't want to venture into the deep snow. She may be many things, but she's not dumb. All right. Sam, is it all right if I go back inside? Huh? Is it all right if I go back inside? You haven't done what you need to do out here yet, so I'm going to leave you out for maybe 5 more minutes, and then I'll check on you, okay?